To lift continuous fryer, first switch to the lift position, attach the hook, and then press and hold the up button. The equipment will begin lifting. Once lifted to the correct position, the equipment will automatically stop when it encounters the limit switch. Then, insert the safety bar. To lower, first remove the safety bar, then press the down button. The equipment will begin descending. The descent will automatically stop when the limit plate encounters the lower limit switch.